Hey loves, thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time, my name is Revi of Skyvale Beauty. I'm based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So today's video is a different one. We are chatting, we're sharing. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the new makeup products that I got over the past 1-2 months, almost 3 months. I've just been collecting them and gathering them to share with you guys. The first package I have here is the one I got from Glam Beauty J. Anytime I see this yellow DHL flyer, goodness gracious, it makes me so happy. I shared all of these mini unboxing on my Instagram channel, on my Instagram page. So if you're not following me, please do. It's at _Skyvale. So this is the first package I got from them. I actually bought everything with my money, guys. This is not sponsored at all. Yeah. So I bought a couple of makeup brushes. Here they are. I got the Real Techniques setting brush. So this is what it looks like. It's really soft. It's small. It's smaller than it looks in pictures, guys. This is how tall this thing is. So yeah, it's perfect for just getting in there and highlighting your face. I used it today. Got a few eye blending brushes. This one is from Costal scents. It's their Pro Blending Fluff. This is the Morphe M411 brush. The next one I got is the M330 from Morphe. It's also a crease blending brush. It's a little bit more fluffy and tapered. The next one I got is the Morphe M411. It's said to be a dupe for the Sigma E38, I think. It's also a crease blending brush, and yeah, I really like this particular brush. I use it for this eye makeup look, that's why it's dirty, guys. And then this one is the tiny itty bitty one. It's the Morphe E36 brush. It's a detailed crease brush when you really want to get in there in your crease and really blend. Next thing I got is the Maybelline Baby Skin. Yes, popular baby skin. I've never tried it before. I'll give you guys a review of this in future coming videos. I've still not opened it. It's killing me, but I'll wait. The next thing I got from Glam Beauty J is the Master Chrome highlighter. Yeah. Maybelline highlighter is dope. Like, need I say more? Legoji, Biko, check, Biko, Legoji. I don't need to say anything. You can see from my face that it's popping. It's 7,000 naira, by the way. All the prices of the products I mentioned, I'll list them in the description box. Next up, I got the Duo Lash Glue. I have used this about 2 to 3 times. I don't know what the hype about this lash glue is. I mean, it holds my lashes and all, but it's not as wow as people make it seem. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not so wow. Me, I feel it's just the hype. There's nothing extra. It doesn't do anything special, and it takes so long to dry. Oh my god. You apply it and then you have to sit down there and blow, play music, dance, watch film, come back before you can use it. So for me, it's just the hype. I don't see anything special. Next up is this package right here from Beauty by Lulu, and I got the Morphe 35B Color Burst Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, I've been dreaming of having this in my collection for the longest time, because if you watch my channel, you know I only use one eyeshadow palette, which is the 3502 from Morphe. This is what it looks like. Can you see that? OMG, like, look at that. This retailed for 13.5. She's based in Port Harcourt, which is great for me, because paying that 2k just for delivery from Lagos and having to wait for like 3, 4, 5 days sucks. So I love the fact that she is based in Port Harcourt, and I got my package very same day. And oh, I forgot, before I forget, she added lashes, guys. Oh, the next package I have here is from Diva Look store. She's also based in Port Harcourt, which is also great. This is my second time shopping from her, and I must say I'm really happy with her store. Like, I'm very impressed. Her customer service, this is not sponsored. Everything I bought with my own money. Her customer service is A1. The first time I bought something from her was a pair of lashes, and I ordered it from her by 4 p.m. By 6, my lashes were at my door. Like, oh my, I was blown away. This is the Hushbeautyng Lip Palette. It's a Nigerian brand. This is my first time trying anything from them, and this is what it looks like. Just regular black packaging, nothing special, with their logo on it. This is what the colors look like. And oh my goodness, I could not believe my eyes. She added in a gift. What? She added in a gift. I've been eyeing the beauty line by Didi, the Browgasm. Ah, shit. I'm so happy, guys. If you know me, you know that I love and rave about the Brow Lotion by Yanga Beauty. And this one retails for 4.5. So I was super duper excited to hear that, to see that there was a release of this, which is essentially the same thing. The same, I don't know what to say. I'm going to do a video on this because this is some tea. This is a table shaking video. Let me just leave it. Look, Biko, tell me, what is the difference between these two? Tell me. I'm going to use both of them in a brow tutorial and in a separate video, and I'll share my thoughts about these two. Thank you so much, Diva Look Shop. Please, buy from her. Diva Look Shop, please, guys, patronize her. She's amazing, and she responds like this on Instagram, like papa. I wanted to film this video, so I just requested for my package. I requested for it by 3:59, and the package came by 5 o'clock. Like, what? And the last thing I bought is from Ada Art Studio. Yes, she is also based in Port Harcourt. She doesn't have an online store, she has a studio. And I bought my very first Sigma brush. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. Like, I've been eyeing this brush for the longest time. The Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. I use it for this eye look. See, it retails for 7,000 naira, and I know that is on the high side, but let me tell you the truth. This right here, you need it in your kit. Repeat after me. I need it in my kit. If you want to have blending goals, E40, like, you just put it there and it just does the work for you. Do you see how flawless this eyeshadow blending is? Like, do you see how flawless and blended it looks? Do you see E40? Yeah, let me leave it there. And then these two glitters I got from Ada Art Studio. I used the green one in my Nigerian Isego green smoky eye video. I like them, they are great. I mean, they are glitters. Who doesn't like to glitter? This one is like a copper fiery gold, and then this one is your regular green. These were 500 naira each, and yeah, I really like them. So that is it for this video. Those are the items I got for the past couple of months, 2 months. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me to this time. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel right here. Remember, to thy own self, only thy own self, be true. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.